Introduction to Communication. Today we will learn about communication and how it evolved. Communication. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, or messages between individuals or groups. It involves the use of verbal and nonverbal cues such as words, gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Effective communication requires both a sender and a receiver who can understand and interpret the message being conveyed. Communication can take many forms, including written, oral, visual, and electronic. Forms of communication. There are various forms of communication, and some of them include 1. Art. Art is a form of communication that involves the use of visual and sensory elements such as color, texture, and shape to express ideas, emotions, or messages. 2. Language. Language is a system of communication that involves the use of words, gestures, and symbols to convey meaning. 3. Letters. Letters are a written form of communication that is sent through the mail or other delivery services. 4. Email. Email is an electronic form of communication that involves the sending and receiving of messages over the Internet. 5. Postcard. A postcard is a written message that is sent through the mail on a postcard-sized piece of paper. 6. Television. Television is a visual form of communication that broadcasts images and sound over the airwaves. 7. Radio. Radio is an auditory form of communication that broadcasts sound over the airwaves. 8. Internet. The Internet is a global network of computers that enables communication and the sharing of information through various platforms such as email, social media, and instant messaging. 9. Computers. Computers are electronic devices that enable the processing, storage, and transmission of information and communication. 10. Cell phone. A cell phone is a portable electronic device that enables communication through calls, text messages, and Internet services. Evolution of communication. Forms of communication have evolved significantly over time, driven by advances in technology and changes in societal needs. Here is a brief overview of how communication has evolved through the ages. 1. Prehistoric communication. Prehistoric humans communicated through nonverbal means such as body language, cave paintings, and symbols. 2. 5th century BC, development of the Greek alphabet. The Greeks developed the first known alphabet, which allowed for the written communication of words. Carrier pigeons were also used during this time to carry messages over long distances. 3. 1440, invention of the printing press. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press, which revolutionized the way written communication was produced and distributed. This innovation made it easier and cheaper to produce books, newspapers, and other printed materials, leading to a surge in literacy and the spread of knowledge. 4. 1653, establishment of the Postal Service. The first postal service was established in the United States, allowing for the delivery of written communication over long distances. This development facilitated trade, commerce, and the exchange of ideas, enhancing human connectivity and cultural exchange. 5. 1840, invention of the postage stamp. The first postage stamp was issued in the UK, making it easier and more affordable to send letters. 6. 1849, invention of the telegraph. Samuel Morse invented the telegraph, allowing for near instantaneous communication over long distances. This innovation connected people across vast distances, facilitating commerce and diplomacy while shortening the time it took for information to travel. 7. 1896 Invention of radio transmission. Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio, allowing for the broadcast of audio signals over long distances. 8. 1925 First public television broadcast. The first public television broadcast was made in 1925, allowing for the broadcast of visual signals over long distances. 9. 1942 Development of the first electronic computer. Konrad Zuse developed the first programmable electronic computer, allowing for the processing and storage of large amounts of information. 10. 1971 Invention of email. Ray Tomlinson invented email, revolutionizing the way written communication was sent and received. This innovation provided a faster and more efficient means of communication, facilitating business and personal interactions while reducing costs. 11. 1973 First mobile phone call. The first mobile phone call was made by Motorola engineer Martin Cooper. This innovation revolutionized the way people communicated, providing a portable means of communication that has since become an essential part of modern life. 12. 1983 Invention of the Internet. The Internet was invented by computer scientists Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn, allowing for the sharing of information and communication on a global scale. 13. 1993 Development of the first web browser. Mark Andreessen developed the first web browser, called Mosaic, making it easier to access and share information on the Internet. 14. 1997 Invention of instant messaging. AOL Instant Messenger, AIM, was released, popularizing the use of instant messaging for real-time communication over the Internet.